You can do whatever you need to do. Pause this video and replay it as many times as you want to, because I'm going to go very quickly and I'm going to do a super deep dive on Carvana very quickly, because I know people don't really like to get all up into that. So that's what we're going to do here. So right here, don't make fun of all my lines, but these are just key points that I like to be aware of. And so key points as in support and resistance. Right now, it looks like we're going to be consolidating unless some crazy news happens, but over the short term, it looks like we're going to be consolidating. Looks like we're going to be right in this range that you can see, these two lines right here. These are the ranges, okay? And by these two red lines right here are pointing in this direction. That's what's making me think that unless we break this line, we're going to be consolidating. I'm looking for more consolidation than anything, especially because of what we did over here, where we did bounce around in this area for a good little bit, all right, until something pushed us out. So just zooming out here, I'm going to give you guys some dates and let you guys know exactly what was happening. So let's bring it all the way back to right here. So this was right here, this was June. So we were around in this $12 price range, and I know you guys remember that price range, all right? And then now that is basically saying, okay, you guys got loans secured, okay, you're good to go, whatever. So that's what pushed it up. And then also the short squeeze, there was 69% of people were short during this time. So obviously that's pushed us up. So this stock right here has been shorted, having short squeezes so many times or whatever, so it's not even something that should be surprising with the current price. So June 8th, they had a better outlook released again. Okay, this was whenever they were like, okay, yeah, this is our quarter, analysis of the quarters for the rest of the year, and it's looking like it's going to be good. Right now is good. We changed around some things, and we're looking like we're going to be doing better. So again, better outlook released, pushes higher. June 12th, there's this financial group, Carisdale Capital. They tweeted some things out. They added it there. Then again, another short squeeze. So I was like interested in what this was, so I looked it up on Google. 1.3, 65 reviews. So nothing too crazy, it looks like. But I mean, then again, I don't really know. Look, you can see the date right here, whenever they did that. And if I go over to short, you'll see that it's right there, and you can click on it and everything. So they tweeted all about this and everything, and that's what happened. So I wanted to know. If you don't know what a short squeeze is, this is what a short squeeze is. It's the price of the stock goes up really high, really fast. It stops you out and you have no money, right? Because the higher it goes, the more you lose when you're shorting. So that's basically what's happening. They have to buy the stock in order to fill that gap or just do whatever they want to do. That's what happens, all right? And so if we go back to this, you can see that's whenever the short squeeze really begins over this term period. And now we're at where we're at right now. So this looks pretty similar to this right here. But not only that, if I really zoom out here and I go into this one right here, now we're on the day chart. And you can see here, you can just ignore all those lines, right? So we push up, we have a lot of green candles here, and along with right here, we have a lot of green candles. Like if I go over to the weekly, this is mainly where I was looking at it at. There's a lot of green candles here for the week, so we're closing green on the week. And then the right, as the one time we have this red, it looks like we're coming all the way down. So if you look at this past time right here, look, it swoops up, it has a bunch of green candles, we get that red, and then we're coming down. So that doesn't necessarily mean that that's going to happen, but it's something to look for, because again, double green, we get that one red, and it's coming all the way down. Didn't happen here, but we also didn't have double green, we just had a red when we came out of that one. So this one has two greens next to it, all right? And same thing here, even with the short ones, we had three greens, that one red, it came all the way down. Then we have a bunch of greens. We don't have any greens. We're not closing red, okay, on this whole green uptrend. All right, so something's got to break. It doesn't have to, might not be right, but it's just something to look into. All right, I hope that helped you guys out as far as the outlook. I definitely see this coming back down, hopefully to retest that 12-14 area like I was talking about before in my last video. Maybe it comes down to 16, somewhere around there. Definitely looking forward to seeing it retest around that time, because then maybe I'll get back in. Financials, they're saying, are looking better. I know that last year around, let's say, believe it was like around August, there was a lot of people that weren't really sure about it, and they were lowering their ratings. If I come back here, is it over here? No. Oh, here it is. So they were impressed with its performance. However, many lowered its price target. So that's eventually what influenced all of this right here. Okay, so I hope this helped you guys realize exactly what's going on with Carvana and make your choices accordingly. And so that's why I'm saying what I'm saying. Hope that was a good deep dive for you all. Let me know if you like these. I'll catch you in the next video. Appreciate you all.